Pause the video and have a go at expanding the brackets for each of the following. Then restart the video where I will go through the solutions step by step. Well, we can see here we have minus x, and that is multiplying the positive x. There's no sign in front of this x, so that implies it's positive. So we have a negative times a positive, which will give us a negative. And of course, an x times an x will give us x squared. So we can see we have minus x squared here. We then use the minus x again, and this will be used to multiply the minus 6. And a minus times a minus is a plus, and the 6 times the x is 6x. So what this is going to give us here is plus 6x. So we can see that this will expand to this here. The x is used to multiply the x squared, and this will give us x cubed. We then use the x to multiply minus 3x, and this will give us minus 3x squared. The x is then used to multiply the plus 7, and this will give us plus 7x. So we can see that this will expand to this here.